my god. I don't really know what's going on right now. Hot. But it's hot. That's all I know. You gotta get up. You gotta look at least.
Like a movie or
I think so. I don't know. Am I thinking movie right now? I don't know.
Let me see. I don't know. It's blinking. What does that mean? Laura, say something.
I can't take a movie right now.
Wait, Sienna, say something.
Where's Spencer? Because I want to find him.
Say something.
No, turn the video off. Here, you get it.
Wait, let her
No. I'm joking. Spencer's not in the room. I bet Dominic hates us. Wait, shh. No, do you think that... No, okay, good. This is good. That look cute. I'm not gonna move. I think Dominic hates us.
Why?
I don't know, but he's a nice enough guy. He's not, like, creepy.
Wait, what do you think? What do you think about Dominic?
I like him. No, I like Dominic. He's cool. No, I like Dominic.
Yeah. Wait, what about you?
I like Dominic. I just don't think he likes us.
What about you?
Stand up.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, you okay?
Ow! Video.
Okay, that hurt. Oh my god, that hurt. Stop. Let's find Spencer.
Okay.
I have a new obsession. Let's find Spencer. Turn the video off.
Okay. How do you do it?